Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make the Chinese style rice that you saw in my last video with the teriyaki ribs. I hope you like it. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We'll start by cooking the rice, and we'll cook it in salted water. Remember to check the back of the package to know how much water you need for every cup of rice. My rice needs 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice, and this will take about 30 minutes on low heat. You'll cook the rice until it's tender and well cooked, and depending on the type of rice that you're using, it might take less or more time. You will also find the exact cooking time on the back of the package, so don't forget to check it out. Once the rice is ready, this is how it looks. Now we're going to set it aside for a little bit. Now in a large skillet or wok, we're going to cook the bacon until golden brown and crisp on all sides. It will take about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. And you're going to be stirring this frequently so the bacon will get golden brown and crisp on all sides. Once the bacon is ready, remove it from the skillet and drain it on paper towels. And then right there in the same skillet, we're going to leave about 1 tablespoon of the bacon fat, the same fat that the bacon released while it was cooking. We only need 1 tablespoon, and you can discard the rest of the fat if you want to. Now we're going to add in a teaspoon of sesame oil, and we're going to cook the onion for 1 minute. Just to soften it a little bit, remember to stir it frequently. So after a minute, this is how it looks. Now we'll also add in the minced ginger and the minced garlic. Give it a stir and cook for 30 seconds, just so the garlic and the ginger will start releasing their flavor. After 30 seconds, now we're going to add in the chopped carrots and continue to cook this and stir for about 3 more minutes, or until the carrot is as tender as you want it to be. After 3 minutes, now try to place all the ingredients in the skillet to one side of the skillet, and then right there in the other side on the empty space, now we're going to add in 2 eggs. Now we're going to scramble the eggs, and now we're going to cook them with the rest of the ingredients until they are well cooked. Now we're going to add in the rice. Toss it with all the ingredients. And then add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And also add in the peas, and also add in the bacon. And we'll also add in chopped green onions to taste. Then toss everything once again until everything is well combined. Then taste the flavor and add more soy sauce if you think it's necessary. And then once everything is well combined and well seasoned, now you can serve it. This rice is full of flavor and I really recommend it. I'm serving it with the teriyaki ribs that you saw in my last video, and they go so well together. They do make the perfect combo for dinner. I hope you like it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!